all along the walls, all along the walls, all along the walls. Help those all along the walls. Remember those all along the walls. Ooh, yes. Up and down the streets, chasing illusions every day. No time to eat, to the deceivers where the money lays. I used to say, what am I feeling? What do I mean? Broken down emotions, living with shattered dreams. But now I see them laugh, I see them cry. Only they and God knows the real reasons why. They're in their boxes, they're in their tents, on cardboard mattresses. So many lives are spent all along the walls. Never seen the righteous forsaken or seas begging for bread. All along the walls, life for yourself. Now pick up your beds. All along the walls, a life of pain and sorrow. Don't you want it to end? Now weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. Night and day you used to see me walking up and down the streets. You called my name, I wouldn't answer, as if in a deep sleep. Well, you knew I wasn't the same as I used to be. You understood my troubles, for you died for my sins on Calvary. Always yearning to escape the ways of death, I used to call my friends. I was cornered and captured, Lord, I was pulled right back in. Like the web the spiders woven, which enables it to devour at will. Cocaine is that same slow feeling of death, right before it kills. All along the walls, what am I feeling? What do I mean? All along the walls, broken down emotions, living with shattered dreams. All along the walls, a life of pain and sorrow. Don't you want it to win? Now weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. All along the walls, help them all along the walls. Ooh, all along the walls, help them all along the walls. Now many have stories you probably find hard to believe. Now forgotten like those hopes and dreams they had once hoped to achieve. So to the lost man and woman, give a word of love to show that you care. For you never know when you're entertaining angels unaware. All along the walls, never seen the righteous forsaken or its seeds begging for bread. All along the walls, a life of pain and sorrow. Don't you want it to end? Weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. All along the walls, never seen the righteous forsaken or its seeds begging for bread. God helps those who help themselves. Time to pick up your beds. All along the walls, a life of pain and sorrow. Don't you want it to win? Weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning.